Ladies and gentlemen, here we have this beautiful Hyundai H100 pickup truck, the most reliable workhorse in South Africa, short distance, long distance, for a furniture, solar panel, handyman, construction, any trade you are in. This is the truck you need. It has a tow bar, rubberized already, and ready to work. Guys, this is a reliable truck. You must have it. The inside is as beautiful as a new truck, with leather seats, no problems at all. It's a 5-speed manual with an aircon, a radio, and 185,000 kilometers on the clock. There's also a bull bar in front, and this beautiful 2022 Hyundai H100 bakkie with 185,000 kilometers is going for a price of 249,900 rand, and it's available at Kimberley Bakkie Center.